Hi, today we will try to learn how we can find descriptive statistics in SPSS. Okay, now come to the SPSS. To find the descriptive statistics, go to Analyze, then go to Descriptive Statistics. Here we have two options, frequencies and descriptives. Now initially we are going to find the descriptive statistics with the help of this option, frequencies. Okay, now we can include preference of capital gain from here. Now we can set the statistics from here, and if we want charts we can set the charts from here. First start with the statistics. If we want mean we can check this column. If we want standard deviation we can check this column. We can also get the minimum or the maximum value or standard error of a mean, variance, range, etc. We can also find skewness and kurtosis from here. Continue. Now go to the chart. If we want a chart, for example I wanna draw histogram and show the normal curve on a histogram as well. Select these, then press OK. Here are the results or the outputs of the SPSS for descriptive statistics based on frequencies. Here in results we can see the curve is not normal. Check the skewness 1.743. Skewness should be nearest to the 0, and kurtosis is also higher than 3. It means that the distribution is not normal. We have some outlier in our data. Second, we can check the descriptive statistics, mean, standard deviation from here, and minimum and maximum value of our data from here.